Coding itself is like learning a new language, so what you want to do is make sure you're learning a language that is as close to the language that you currently know, and Python is really good because it's quite readable.
Python provides an environment for people to learn how to program at a quick pace. It doesn't have a lot of the arbitrary rules and a lot of the difficulties that other languages have, and it allows people to start programming quickly.
It was designed as a high-level general programming language that's supposed to be easy to read. With one line of Python code, you can run a program, whereas in another programming language, such as Java, it'd take 5 lines to do the same thing.
It's low barrier to entry, and the fact that so many teams started out using Python in their beginning programming life makes it so much easier to integrate and so much easier to build things with a lot of people.
They already have a lot of extended libraries, and they have a lot of strong communities to support you. So it's really flexible, as you can just use others like good practice or others good libraries directly to make use into your programs.
Its ability to work with other languages is almost unmatched.
Once you've learned one, it's really easy to just shift it over into another. They're all relatively similar, so it's just a great jumping point.
Personally, I believe Python is an incredible stepping stone to join the programming workforce.